Hey guys, real quick video, bit of a life hack if you will. Sometimes your bottle of WD-40 is just unobtainium. God knows where it's gone. I can't be bothered looking around for it any longer. All I need is some penetrating oil style stuff. Just get these pins out. Got to remove the pins out of these couple of buckets. One bucket and a ripper. Get modified, there'll be videos about that anyhow. This is a nice coffee container. Just a 500ml bottle. Inside it is mostly automatic trans fluid and then a little bit of paint thinner. Acetone works better, but paint thinner works well. I stole this idea off Chris Fix. Go and watch his video on it. He makes it and compares it to all the other brands. Awesome video. Anyway, the reason you use ATF is ATF's nice and fine, thin, low viscosity, high viscosity, whatever, the thin oil. Add a bit of thinner to it, it's amazing. A little bit of a hole in the top of here. Oh, this is second-hand ATF. As you see, it runs quite nice. It appears a little bit better of a hole. Got a better hole now. This is recycling at its finest. See the water in the ATF? So, auto trans fluid that would have been going to get recycled is helping me get these pins out. Plastic bottle, same thing, getting used. Drizzle it in there, it'll all soak down, run down the pin. This one will be a good example, I reckon. That'll end up running down the pin, and I'll be able to tap them out with a hammer. I've just got to get these threads as well. Let's get the end of the threads. Let's give them a couple of liberal treatings. Remember, you paid nearly nothing for it. Just like that. I'll come back in a minute when that started running down the pin. But it shouldn't take that long. It is like, yeah, it's a penetrating oil. So it should start running down the pin. I may even be able to grab one of these now with the multi-grips and turn it. See the oil disappearing from the top up there? Not quite. These buckets have been sitting around for a long time. I got them off my mate today. I'm going to modify them a bit to make buckets for my little Kubota. They're way too big, but this one's going to be my super digging bucket. Look at how much cubic capacity is in there. And the big killer ripper. I'm basically going to just machine the pins down. So they'll go in my machine, one pin down will get machined. The back one will just be re-drilled and spaced. And all the excess steel that we don't need will cut off. So I'll probably end up cutting this one through here and lightening it up a bit because my machine's not that heavy duty. But yeah, penetrating oil from recycled stuff. You may even be able to get, if you do a lot of fixing old stuff, it might even be worth your while going to your local automatic transmission place, getting some of this and some acetone. I think the acetone's a bit better than paint thinner, but all you're aiming to do is thin the ATF. As you see, it runs in there beautiful. Runs in, disappears. But I should be able to tap these bolts, these pins out with quite a bit more ease than what I would have done. I know it's not a super interesting video, but if you're stuck, you have no... That just runs around there, gets in all the gaps. But yeah, if you're stuck and you've got no WD40, penetrating, Loctite spray, ATF is super slippery, remember that. Pretty sure it's low viscosity. Add that little bit of thinners in there, and away it goes. It's soaking down and coming out the bolt hole. Anyway, thanks heaps for watching. I'll catch you on the next video as always. Just a quick tip for someone, it might be something you'll remember. It's exactly what I did. Remember that you could just make a bit of penetrating oil with some ATF. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers.